Sabi ni Jay, don't you need to establish authority and credentials? Importante yung authority at saka credentials, no? In fact, napag-usapan natin 'yan last week during the forming stage, no, when we talk about setting and leveling of expectations. Napag-usapan natin yung ano bang dapat mong sabihin sa mga team members mo sa umpisa, okay? Especially when it comes to decision making. Ano yung mga decision na ina-empower mo sila? Ano yung decision na dapat nilang isangguni sa iyo bilang isang leader, no? Isa lang yung gusto kong ma-emphasize dito when it comes to authority, no? Ah, dapat ano dapat yung authority kasi ay pansamantalang kapangyarihan, okay? Dapat mapalitan yun ng, pag napalitan yung authority ng trust, then what you use now is influence rather than authority, okay?